Hey guys, welcome back to Nature's Cadence Farm. I've seen a lot of these videos on YouTube, and people like to watch, I guess, diesels cold starting. And this morning it's about 15 degrees right now. It's one of the coldest mornings we've had this year, and since we've been making videos. So I figured let's go ahead and make a cold start video. Now this is for a 96 Ford F250 with a 7.3 turbo diesel in it, the Power Stroke. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you down, show you the exhaust pipe, and see how it looks. So here we go. As you can see, it didn't kind of want to start, but it did. I've never had any trouble out of this truck when it's cold. It stumbles a little bit, but it ends up getting started. I went through it about 3 years ago and put new valve cover gaskets, you know, with the wiring harness already built in, new glow plugs, and everything. So that seemed to help quite a bit, because I really have never had any trouble out of it. But yeah, it hasn't been started for probably 3 days now. So whatever temperature it is outside is whatever temperature it is in there. So it's not like I ran it, you know, an hour or two ago or anything like that. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I watched a few of these kind of with intrigue and wonder, like, why do people watch these? But it was interesting, so I decided to make one. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. See you next time.